Hi, welcome to Solid Digitals. My name is Paul. Today I'm going to show you how to change the color of a wine glass in Photoshop, just like the one you see in my screen. The colors is changing, green, wherever. Now let's begin. Now after opening the picture of the wine glass, the next thing you're going to do, I'm going to come here and right click here, and you can choose magnetic lasso tool. Then the next thing it will give me that. Then I'll just come here and start tracing by clicking. The goodness about magnetic lasso tool, it sticks to the edges of your wine glass, and I'll just do like this. Then I'll just trace where the yellow wine glass is, just like that, and I'll just make sure I only take the yellow parts like so. So I'll just come like so, click, trace like that. Then I'll just, when you see this circle here, it means I want to join them. Then after joining them, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come to the layers sections. Then I'm going to come here and choose this icon here. Then I'm going to choose hue and saturation. Then I'm going to slide this. You see, when I slide this right, left, center, the colors will be changing just like so, as you can see there. Now that's how to change the color of a wine glass in Photoshop. Then we'll move to the next object. I'll just zoom on here. I'll come again and choose magnetic lasso here. Then I'll just come and trace where they are red, just like this, just like this, just like this, like this. You make sure you trace where there is red, just like that. Maybe I just want to trace the bottom up. Let me just trace this down a part like so. Maybe up to here, maybe up to here, maybe up to here. And I join this one like so. Then after that, I'll come here and click here. Then I'll choose hue and saturation. Then I'm able now to slide, change my color just like that to purple, as you can see, like that. You can also change this one like that, like that, like that. Then I just say okay. What about if I want to change also the fruit? Maybe I'll just trace again. I'll come again here. If I want to change the fruit, maybe I'll come again and trace just like that. After joining, you come to hue and saturation. Then boom, also you just play around. Maybe now I want this one to be greenish, or I want it to be purple, just like that. So that's how to do that. That's how to change the color of all that. Subscribe to my channel. You can even give it a thumbs up. You can also like it, share with your friends. Have a nice day.